Did you know they still produce $2 bills to this day? A lot of people don't know that. The majority of $2 bills out there are only worth $2. To be honest, I keep $2 bills in my wallet and I hand them out as a tip or a gift from time to time just to see how people will react. But I'll tell you this, I would never hand someone a $2 bill like the one in this video because it sold for $217, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. So if you ever come across a $2 bill, there's a few things that you want to be looking out for. A good rule of thumb, guys, is the older your bill is, the better the condition it's in, the more money it's going to be worth. If you combine that with a factory error like the one in this video, then you're in for a treat. So before I show you what you need to be looking for, it's important to understand the printing process. I'll explain this in 5 seconds. Essentially, the back of the bill is printed first, the first printing. They'll flip the bill over and print the front of the bill. That's the black engraved area where you see Jefferson, the number 2s, everything that's dark there. And then the third and final print is called the overprint. Now that's where you see the district seal on the left, the treasury seal on the right, the serial numbers on the top right and bottom left. That's the overprint. On this example, the third print or the overprint was accidentally misaligned. So during the printing process, the alignment of the sheet was out of alignment, causing the serial numbers and the seals to be shifted. And this example is not even graded. If you were to get this note graded by a third-party company like EMG or PCGS, it should increase the value of the bill, especially if it's a high-graded note. So keep your eyes peeled for any $2 bill that looks like this, because you could turn a normal $2 bill into $217 just like this person did. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube knows that you'll enjoy the video that they have on the screen right now. They picked it and they said it's good for you. If so, click on that video and I'll see you inside. Don't worry if you miss it, just click on my channel. There's much more to come.